Hello everyone, my name is Julia Jones and I'm the founder and co-owner of PuroClean, and I wanted to share a fun fact. Prior to moving to this area several years ago, I did live in Orlando with my family, and we lived there in 2004. Well, 2004, our house was actually affected by 3 different hurricanes almost in succession, and you may know them as Charlie, Francis, and Jean. Now, we did live in the center of the state, so we weren't affected like many that are on the coast, but that was an extraordinary year for us, and it was also a lot of the inspiration for what this business can do and why I chose to go into this field. Anyway, that's today's fun fact, and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll have some more coming up soon.